Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question how to get around 500 or even more megabits download and 700 or even more megabits upload on Frontier through Wi-Fi about 30 feet away from the original router on a PC. Here you can see the result: 517 downloads, 723 upload. That's the thing which I got about really 30 feet away from the router through Wi-Fi. How can you achieve that with Wi-Fi? Because usually it's not possible. Yeah, with Frontier you get actually two Eeros, so you can place one where you get the internet and the other one where you have your PC, and then you connect the PC with the second Eero router through Ethernet, and that's it. So I never thought about that you could do that, because they usually just say you can use the second Eero router like as a wireless hub or wireless extender. So usually you place it somewhere outside, like in a garage or maybe patio or something like that, where you need a little bit further Wi-Fi reach. But I never thought that you could actually use it to connect then an Ethernet cable and hook up your PC and then get almost 1 gigabit internet speed. That's absolutely crazy, and it really works. Yeah, my son gave me actually the idea, and yeah, it really works. So this could be something for you. I mean, of course you can also get fast Wi-Fi directly from the router. I mean, with about same distance, when you have decent Wi-Fi reception, like good antennas on your PC, maybe you're using even external antennas, then you could get, maybe depending on how the connection or visibility is, you could get maybe 200, maybe 300, but more than that is almost impossible no matter what you do. I've never seen more with such a distance, not even like on your mobile phone or so you would get that. But the connection between the two Eeros seem to be super stable and super fast, even in areas where it would be otherwise rather difficult to get a stable connection. I mean, I've tried it here, and usually I got only about 50 or maybe 100 megabits, but not 500 or 700. So it really looks like they have found a way to increase the Wi-Fi range and speed and everything, and so we could also use that then as an extender, not only for an additional Wi-Fi or repeater for Wi-Fi, but also for Ethernet. So this is what I wanted to show. If you want to use that Frontier, yeah, definitely a good thing, I think, at the moment. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.